Hello and welcome to Larissa's Kitchen. I'm putting together another Halloween treat. Today I'm making poisoned caramel apples, although the poison is optional. Let's see what we're going to need. I have 4 Empire apples here. I like to use these because they're tart and crisp and because they're short and fat rather than tall and skinny. Other options are Granny Smiths, Honeycrisps, and SweeTangos. I'm washing these apples in cold water with a blue scrubby and soap. We need to get off any wax or residue from the surface of these apples. You can use whatever you like to push into these apples, but I'm using bamboo skewers that I've cut down so they're not quite so tall. I have some candied chopped almonds. These are actually a byproduct from when I made orgeat. I'll include the recipe for how to make these down below. These are going in the bottom of this nonstick aluminum foil lined pan. We'll be putting our caramel apples on top of this. We're doing this the easy way. I am using a 14-ounce bag of wrapped caramels. We're going to unwrap these and melt them with approximately 4 tablespoons of whole milk. If you'd like, you can also make the caramel from scratch. The link to that recipe is in the description box below as well as at the end of this video. Let's melt these caramels. We're melting the caramel and the milk over very low flame. We don't want to heat this up too quickly or we can burn this caramel. We just need to melt this until it's completely smooth. This can also be melted in the microwave. Just do it in 1-minute increments on medium until it's nice and smooth. All right, just a couple more minutes to make sure this is nice and smooth. Okay, this looks good. We're ready to start coating those apples. I put my hot caramel in a low bowl. It makes it easier to roll these apples in it. This apple is getting some flaked sea salt. We'll be further covering these apples, but they need to set up in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes first. We're going to further dip these in melted milk chocolate, but just one side. I also have melted white chocolate and dark chocolate that we will be drizzling over these apples. In order to taste these apples, I've cut a wedge out of it to make it just a little bit easier. And I can't wait. Oh, all this caramel. Amazing. Thank you for visiting Larissa's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.